does it look like a candy cane? Would you be amazed if it turned into a real candy? I would be too, because I don't know how to do that. But we'll try something a little different. Here's what I'll do. I'm going to make the fist. I'm going to put the red and the white through the top of the fist like this. See how I push them in through the top? If I throw a little magic dust in, you know what happens? It comes out through the bottom. If I push it in this way, sometimes it comes out that way. If I push it in separate, sometimes they come out together. But that gives me an idea. That gives me an idea. You guys look like stars in front of me. So I'm going to take the blue one. I'm going to put it in this way. It's going to come out that way. In through here, out through there. But I need everybody to count with me to 3. Say 1, 2, 3. Everybody blow. Let me do this real slow. How about a 9?